If lately you've been feeling that coding just doesn't feel interesting anymore, this video might help you out. Hello and welcome to Creatively Python, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 3 tips to help make coding more fun and interesting. Sometimes the reason you aren't interested in coding is due to burnout, and this burnout is caused by forcing yourself to do things that you do not enjoy. Now you might dislike programming in general, that is a possibility, but most of the time and for most of the people this is simply not the case. They just don't know the right things to build. So now let me give you 3 tips to help you out. The first thing is to build real world systems. If you've ever wondered how Spotify recommends songs, for example, try building a system that takes in a bunch of data as input and predicts what you're going to like. You can apply this in many cases. The second tip is to find your interest. You just need to keep trying new things till you find what you like. If you take my own example, I first started out with web development, then went on to UI UX design, computer vision, and I'm currently learning machine learning. Allow yourself to try out things that you might be interested in. The third tip is to make gifts. If you're feeling burnt out right now, do what Austin Kleon recommends and build something special for someone you know. Build something that might make their life just a little bit better. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.